everybody, welcome back to the channel. So 2 weeks ago I did a video about 4 things that I hate inside new construction homes, and one of the things was these wire racks, and you all could not agree with me more. We all seem to hate these things as a community. So I'm just going to show you what I did to my pantry to get rid of this whole wire look and make the pantry look so much better. So I went over to Lowe's and I bought this sanded birch plywood. I've used this wood for a lot of different projects. It's pretty easy to work with. I will say if you don't have cutting tools like I do, you can just get them to cut it at the store, which is actually what I wish I would have done because it would have saved me so much time. But anyway, I just started with a sheet of sanded birch. Of course, I got the measurements of my wire racks. I just measured the length and the depth. And then I had to do a whole lot of cutting. Again, I suggest skipping this part and just getting them to do it at the store. Again, it'll just save you so much time. So anyway, I cut these sheets down to 16 inches in depth and then about 40 inches in length. So once I had everything cut down to size, I just got the birch wood and I put it on top of the 1x2s. Now you see me putting down 2 pieces of 1x2s, but I'm actually only using one. I'm just using the one in the back to keep the piece of birch upright while I staple in the front side. Again, if you don't have this tool, I'm using a nail gun, but if you don't have a nail gun, you can easily use hammer and nails to do this. This is a really easy DIY project, so don't feel like you need a whole bunch of tools or power tools in order to complete it. So that is our wire rack cover, and I was going to stain it. So of course, before I was going to stain it, I gave it a good sanding, which you want to do anyway, because that birch wood does tend to fray. So you don't want to get any splinters in your hand. So you just want to sand it down smooth. But I was considering staining it. 2 reasons I decided not to stain it. First of all, the stain color it wasn't what I was looking for. These were a little bit too dark. And then the smell of the stain lingers a very long time. And I just did not want my pantry and my food to be smelling like that. So I decided against it. And pretty glad I did because it looked good without a stain. All right, so here is my pantry. I have moved everything out. And now we're just going to put in our shelves, but I wanted to show y'all so you don't have to take out the wire shelving, but we will have to put these in starting at the bottom and going up because of the way that you have to go in. But basically, whenever you take everything out, you can just lift these up like this and push them back to get them out your way, so then you can prop that in. And I'm going to switch y'all up over here and show y'all exactly what I mean. And there you have it. That is how I made my wire rack covers. I'm just going to give you a quick clip of what the pantry looked like before. It was a mess, y'all, so don't be shocked. And then here is the after. I am so happy with how this turned out. Everything is so organized and nice and aesthetically pleasing to my eyes. I love it so much. If you guys are interested, I will also have linked below all of the organizational pieces that I have in here. I purchased everything from Amazon. So I will link those below if you're interested in getting any of the items that you see there. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.